How to send high quality video on Telegram. So if you want to send a video on high quality in Telegram, you go to send it as a file because Telegram automatically compresses the video when you send it as a standard message. So to do that, what you're going to do, firstly, open up the Telegram app. So open up the app and then choose the chat that where you want to send these to, send the video to. So just open it up. And then once you're on the chat, so what we're going to do, you're going to touch the, tap the attachment icon, which is the paperclip, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you go to select the file instead of gallery. So instead of gallery, select file option. So when you select the file option, now select the video that you want to send, like lock it wherever it's saved. So just open it up and select it. Okay, so select it. And then once you select it, and then now what you're going to do, simply hit on send. And when you click on send, as you can see, this video will be sent as a file, preserving the original quality. So this method will avoid any compression and sends the video in its original format in high quality. And that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.